Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tavia Chanel. As you can see from the title, I will be doing a perm rod set to my hair. If you would like to see how I got these nice fluffy curls, just keep on watching. Okay, as you can see, my shrinkage is real. Yeah. Anyways, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to re-wet my sections because my sections did dry up. Yeah, so once I re-wet it, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner, which is the Pearl Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. And then after that, I'm going to apply the oil. Right after I apply the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to use Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair moisturizing curl activating cream. It says it activates curls, delivers volume and shine, reveals frizz-free bouncy curls. Yeah, so it's no sulfate, no silicone, paraben, or mineral oil. And after I apply this, I'm gonna go in with the the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair wave whip curling mousse. It defines wave and curls without the crunch, touchable frizz-free finish, weightless moisture and conditioning. Also no sulfate, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. So the reason why I am re-wetting my hair, because to me, in my opinion, I feel like these products work better when my hair is drenched in water. I'm going to my tangle teaser just to detangle my hair, make sure there's no tangles and no knots. Now I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, just a generous amount. All right, going in with my oil. Okay, so once you have applied all of your products to your hair, to that large section, you're gonna go in and you're gonna get a smaller section just to apply the foam to your hair, apply the mousse to your hair, and wrap your hair around the perm rod set. So what I usually do, I usually use maybe like 1 to 2 pumps of hair mousse. So that's 2 pumps. Rub my hands together and then apply it to this medium section. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your perm rods. Some people tend to like twist the roots, and then you're going to have your perm rods right there in a downward motion, and you're going to wrap your hair around the perm rod. Once the perm rod is tightly secured to the root of your hair, you're gonna grab this end and you're gonna clip it. Just twist the root, wrap the hair around the perm rods, and then secure. Another way to apply these perm rods is if you start from the ends. if you start from the ends, like you'll wrap your ends around the perm rods, making sure your ends are nicely secured, and then what you want to do is grab your perm rods and just twirl, roll, twirl, roll, twirl, roll. Get like almost close to the roots. That's when you roll and roll and roll until it's nicely secured. So yeah. Turn this way. Say it. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo están?
¿Cómo está?
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Okay.
Bruh.
You like to be in the camera too? Yeah, say hi. If you guys don't get it the first try, trust me, I struggle to this day. I still struggle to like get it, you know, there. But once you get the hang of it, you'll move in a quicker pace. But as of right now, when you're starting off, just take your time. As you're twirling your hair on the perm rod, you can use your index finger like I'm doing just to hold the your hair in place. As you're wrapping the hair around the perm rod. And then you smooth it out, making sure there's no lumps and clumps. I forgot to mention, when you do apply products to your hair, make sure you apply enough products to your hair because you want that nice definition to, like, you know, pop. I am finally done. Thank you, Lord. Okay, but yeah, this is how I am looking like. I am so happy I'm done. But yes, I have some of the white perm rods on the front of my hair and majority of the orange ones in the back of my hair. Don't worry about the white residue that is on your hair. I promise you it is gonna dry. So I am gonna let this air dry for a couple of hours. I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking. So I just took off some of the perm rods off camera. I forgot to record. But yeah, this is how it's looking like. So far so good. Yeah. I'm just gonna show you how to take down the perm rods. It's really easy. All you gotta do is just once you unhook the bottom piece, then you're gonna take your perm rod and you're just gonna start twirling in the opposite direction, and then you let it go. And then you'll have like this nice, spiral curl. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that for the rest of my hair, and then after I take down all of the perm rods, I'm going to separate and then fluff my hair, and then I'll just show you like the final results. Put the white one here in the front. You can see that it is much more tighter than the orange one. Now as far as this one, this is where I put the orange perm rod, and you can tell that the curl is much looser. On to the separating process. So I'm gonna go in with the vitamin E oil. I'm just gonna apply like a small, maybe like 2 drops of vitamin E oil. This will help me separate the curls without any frizz. Still got some of the vitamin E oil, and then I go in curl by curl and just start separating. So what you want to do is you want to stretch it out a little bit, and you want to start separating where the curl naturally separates. Like right here. Now, if you do not want to separate and you just want to leave your hair like this, it's fine. But I'm definitely going to separate just to give it a little bit more volume. So I'm definitely going to do this throughout my whole entire hair, and I'll be right back. To pick my hair, I'm going to use a hair pick. Oh, my hair looks a little discombobulated, but it's fine. So we're going to go in with the roots just to lift it up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see the difference. So I'm not gonna overly pick my hair, because as the days goes by, it is gonna get bigger. For anyone that suffers from severe heat damage like I do, you can't go wrong with perm rosette. Like, look at this. Look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you on my next one.